Welcome back to TechKidFX for another price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you a price prediction update on Burger, whose current price stands at the $1.55 mark, and here on TradingView the market is down by 1.71%. and in this video I want to give the key scenarios that I expect to play out, basing my analysis on the key areas of support and resistances, and also the Fibonacci's, and also draw out any key pattern that is information on this chart. So if you're interested in such content, make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. I'll kickstart the video by giving a brief of what I have here on the chart. I expected the price of Burger to break to the upper side of this key area of resistance, and once we have that breakout we go to this yellow target up here, but that move didn't play out. I also expected that if we do not manage to break above that key area of resistance, that we find a pullback to the lower side and lose key areas of support on this chart, and that has happened. We also had this chart pattern over here, which is a double top, which is a pattern that normally breaks to the lower side, having the target area of the breakout as the height between the tops and the neckline, and that pattern also played out, and in that movement to the lower side we went into the target area for the breakout of that double top. And in that movement also we had other patterns over here which formed. We even had this channel that is over here, and at some points as the buyers were trying to push the market higher, we had a huge fake out over here and then had a massive sell off to the lower side, and at the moment we are trading at an area of support. Also in this movement to the lower side, this we can term it as a retracement, because you can see the price of Burger had been moving to the upper side very impulsively. Then at some point after making this high, we started seeing a massive retracement to the lower side, and using the Fibonacci's we can try and get a target area for the minimum retracement area that Burger could retrace to. That is between the fib level 0.618 and the fib level 0.5, which is within this yellow target over here. And if I zoom out, you can see that the price of Burger has been trading within this yellow target, meaning that we are in an area where we might see a reversal to the upper side, because using the Fibonacci's, Burger has done the minimum that we expect a retracement to do, and so soon that means we might see a reversal to the upper side. And that brings me to the key scenarios that I expect to play out on this chart. Now that you are trading at a key area of support, it's possible that we might find support within this area and then find a massive pump to the upper side, and in that movement I expect us to go to around the $1.84 mark, where we have our next key area of resistance. And once we manage to break above it and have a successful retest, then that would unlock even higher prices here on the Burger chart and take us to around the $2 mark and the $2.19 mark, which is a key area of resistance. And at that point, then if we manage to break above those key areas of resistances, then we can start drawing out even more bullish scenarios. It's also possible that Burger might not be able to push to the upper side because maybe we don't have enough volume to continue pushing the market higher, and we lose this key area of support. And in that movement, then the worst case scenario for Burger might be playing out, because we will have lost key areas on the Fibonacci's, also key area of support, and that would take us to our next key area of support at around the $1.34 mark. And at that point maybe we might find support and then have a massive bounce to the upper side. And in case we also lose that key area of support, then the worst case scenario for Burger will be playing out, because I will expect us to go to around the $1 mark, where we have our next key area of support. If I also take a look at the indicators to see whether these movements can be supported, here on the RSI you can see we are trading at around the 33 mark. That is on the 4-hour RSI, and we are having a movement from the oversold region, so that would mean we have massive room for us to continue pushing higher and break above those key areas of resistances. Also taking a look at the MACD, on the MACD you can see we are losing the volume, the selling volume over here, and soon we might print a bullish cross. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll keep you updated.